I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves different kinds of riffs. So I've had a lot of people on like TikTok and Instagram ask me to do different kinds of riffs, like showing all the different kinds of riffs in a video, and I did, and people really loved it. So I want to make an exercise for you here on YouTube that has that to it. So we're going to be doing 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 in this exercise. Now it's my version of a 9 and my version of an 11. My version of a 7, maybe my version of a 5. I don't know. It's just everyone has a different way of doing it. So if this isn't the way you usually do it, that's okay. It's just a different version. When I go take someone else's class, they're like, we're going to do a 7-count riff. And then they're like, and I'm like, that was weird. That's not how I do that. And then I add it in and I go, wow, that's really cool. So I learned something new when I took that class, and hopefully you're gonna learn something new today, or it'll be the stuff you're used to and it'll be fun anyway. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. This can be done pretty much at any level as long as you know up to a 7-count riff, but I have videos on that if you need help with riffs. If you haven't learned like the 5-count riff or the 7-count, I think I have videos on those in my step tutorial playlist down below. I know I at least have a TikTok that explains, a TikTok and an Instagram that explains the difference between all of them, and it'll show you how to do different kinds of 7s. So definitely check those out. I think it's on YouTube as well. Yeah, it's in my YouTube shorts as well. All right, so we have step 3-count riff, step 3-count riff, step. So 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. So make sure it's not a 5-count. It is a 3. We're going to make sure we don't do that. You just step. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. Just that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. Cool. You finish that with and a 5-count riff and a 7-count riff. So after 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4, you have brush, stuff, heel, dig, step, and then brush, stuff, heel, dig, step, heel, heel. Let me like not fall off my board. So you have 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4, then and a 5 and 6, and a 7 and heel, heel. So my 7-count riff that I do is the 5-count riff with a back heel, front heel. That's the one we're going to do today. 5-count riff is a 3-count, brush, stuff, heel, dig, step. So that sequence is 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and a 8. So it's step 3, step 3, step 5, 7. Hopefully that's not confusing. Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So remember that 5-count starts on the left, and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and heel. Okay? Let's try it. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. Your left foot is free. You have a 5-count riff, heel, heel, toe, toe, crawl that way. Right, left, right, left. That's what makes a 9 for me, as long as you consider it a 9 if it stretches over 2 bars. And a 5-count riff, heel, heel, toe, toe. So let's do that. 5-count riff, right heel, right toe, left toe. Crawl that way. So, and the timing goes and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's try that. Left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Awesome. Last piece of this. You have a 7-count riff on the right and a 7-count riff, but the end of the 7 doesn't stay heel, heel. You're actually going to start a crawl. And a 5-count riff, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. And that's what makes it an 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the confusing part. I got you. So the 9 was a 5 and then a heel, heel, toe, toe crawl. The 11 is going to be a 7 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is very, very quick, even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you slow down 8, 9, 10, 11. So toe, toe, heel, heel. So the opposite crawl. Hopefully this makes sense. So let's go from the 9 to the 11. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It's perfect for across the floor. All right, let's try it again. 9 to 11, and then we'll try from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Cool. Let's try it from the top. From step and a 3 count riff. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, step, and a 5 count riff, and a 7 count riff, and a 5 count riff, heel, heel, toe, toe, and a 7 count riff, toe, toe, heel, heel. Awesome. You know what the coolest part is? Your left foot's free at the end, so you get to go on the other side. So let's walk through the other side. So your left foot is free, and you have step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, step, and then your 5 count riff starts on the right foot, and a 5 count riff, 7 count on the left foot, and a 7 count riff. Now you have the 9 starting on the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, heel, heel, toe, toe. Now the 11 starting with that 7 goes on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cool? Can we try the left? Let's do it. So from step, 3 count riff. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 1, 2, 3, step, 1, 2, 3, step, and a 5 count riff, and a 7 count riff, and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah? Okay, what are the odds that we could do right and then left? Hopefully good, because we're going to. So, right and then left, right away. And then we'll try it with music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. And a 5 and 6 and 7 and a 8. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. And a 5 and 6 and 7 and a 8. And a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 7 and 8. Awesome. Okay, let's try it with music and see if we can get it like, you know, comfy. All right, let's give it a try. So we're gonna go 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. 5, 2, wait. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and a 8 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? It's a pretty cool song. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. That's so cool. So that did turn out a little bit faster than I worked you up with, but that's okay. That is okay. Let's try it again, and hopefully we just do a little bit better. Doesn't need to be perfect, you know? All right, one more time, just for the sake of trying it, just for the sake of practice. This is a great exercise to do across the floor. It's a great exercise to bring to your classes if you're a teacher. Let's just have some fun. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. exercise today. Again, it's a great one to bring to class for across the floor or even just center. It's a great one to just practice all of your different kinds of riffs with. I had a lot of fun making it. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials where you can learn different riffs and other steps, tons of other steps. And we have choreography tutorials so you can learn a dance to one of your favorite songs, or it's just like a song that's really cool or a song that's timeless or something. So we've got all that, plus vlogs and challenges and more, and it's all free and it's all for you right here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe, but also hit that thumbs up button because it tells the YouTube algorithm people like this. Oh yeah. So people like tap. That's what we want to tell YouTube, so that it starts putting more tap out there. And you know, while people are watching their comedy videos, maybe they'll also get a tap video because people will be like, YouTube like, oh yeah, people like this stuff. Maybe we'll put this out there. So hit that thumbs up, definitely subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.